BB with Florida Structural Group. Here we are at Island's End. We're currently working on the second floor, removing the anchor out of the column and removing the cable as well. We will be pushing a new band line tendon into the column, going to the other side of the building. So yesterday the engineer was out here and we went ahead and stressed the band line tendons on the 5th floor of building 2. Everything went good, so now we're basically to the point where we got to patch everything back up and close it off and keep moving forward in the project. Check back for further updates.